Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's start. La 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 la. Oh look, it's a shell. What a beautiful shell. It's a big shell that I haven't seen it before. Let's go. La 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 la. Ouch. What's that? It's a thread of bottles. Where's it from? I think someone living in these crazy narratives. Overall, worldwide, most of the plastic trash in the oceans come from Asia. The top countries for ocean garbage are China, Indonesia, the Philippines, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, and Thailand, according to a 2015 study in the journal Science. So what can we do to protect the environment? I think we should reduce the single-use plastic bottles in a proper way, and we should urge companies to provide customers with free alternatives and say no to single-use plastic such as straw, plastic cutlery, coffee cup, water bottles, balloons, and plastic produce and take-out food container as well. And we should make jewelry made of corals and seashell shells, souvenir shells of conch, nautilus, and other animals, and single-use plastic bottles like straws and water bottles that can end up in our oceans. These produce support sustainable fishing and plant important species and ecosystems. And we should reduce the climate effect change by leaving the car at home when you can be a considerate of your energies when at home and at work. A few things you can get started today. Switch the carpet light for a tent, light bulbs, take a stairs, bundle up, or use a fan over setting your thermostat. And global fish populations are rapidly due to demand, loss of habitats, and unsustainable fishing practice. When shopping or dining out, help reduce the demand of explode species, particularly seafood, that is both edibles and unsustainable. Besides that, we either enjoy diving, surfing, and relaxing on the beach, or we clean up after yourself, exploring without interacting with wildlife, or removing rocks and corals, go even further by encouraging to respect the marine environment. I can't wait anymore. Let's start. I have a very big bag. Let's put all the garbage here. Now we put it in a bin.